Be very careful with probability questions that just jump into answers. You need to have a good method. The thing is, like, there's different methods. Like, there's Venn diagrams and tree diagrams and sample spaces, which is good to use. And actually, a sample space is the way to go in this question because we've got two events and we've got quite a lot of things happening in each event. We can either roll one, two, three, four, five, or six. Then a sample space really nicely lays out what is happening. When I say a sample space, I mean my first dice here. I can roll one, two, three, four, five, or six. And then my second, exactly the same. But this is actually a conditional probability question because we're given an extra condition. At least one of the scores obtained on the dice is a 3, which means I can just rule all of these ones out. Okay, I'm not going to rule that one out. That's a possibility. But none of the ones I'm putting crosses by have got scores of 3. That's going to be all right. And the sample space works because every outcome is equally likely. So there's going to be 36 possibilities. They're all equally likely. So what's the probability that they are both a 3? Well, there's just this one option. And how many options are there in total for at least one of the scores being a 3? Well, there's 6 across here, 6 across here, but I've double counted, so there's 11. And therefore the answer is 1 over 11. I really like this approach. You can try and list the values and stuff like 1 and 3 but actually this just lays it out clearly. And I don't need to necessarily write the scores down like 4 and 4. I'm just crossing them off when I'm not interested in them and ticking them when I am. So it's quite quick and gives us the answer 1 over 11.